Thinking back on my old microcontroller board, I see room for improvement. So I'm taking what I've learned to make a better version. It's like giving it a makeover, adding cool new features to make it even more powerful. Join me on this journey to create a microcontroller board that's a step forward in every way. Starting this new project, I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm using the old plan as a starting point. It's like a familiar map guiding me in the right direction. Then, I'm making some changes, adding in new parts to make it even better. It's a bit like building with Lego bricks, swapping out pieces to create something new and exciting. With each addition, I can already see this board becoming a powerhouse of potential. Once I finish the schematic, it's time to build the actual board. But this time, I'm starting from the very beginning. I'll reshape it completely. The old one was pretty fancy, so I'm going for something smaller and simpler this time. It's like giving a room a whole new look by rearranging the furniture. This fresh start is going to make the board not only more efficient but also easier to work with. It's exciting to imagine how this new design will turn out. The changes I'm making won't alter the main features much. They'll still be familiar and easy to use. But there's one new addition that's going to be really handy. I'm adding a 3.3 volt DC output so it can power board that need that specific voltage, like the RFID circuit. Also, we're making sure to fix the names of the analog pins. I noticed a few mistakes when I was working on my robotic art project, and I want to make sure everything is crystal clear this time around. Once I'm happy with the PCB layout, I sent it off to JLC PCB. Now, I'm excitedly waiting for it to arrive. It's like waiting for a special package. I can't wait to get my hands on the physical version of my design. Thanks to JLC PCB, my project is one step closer to reality. After a week of anticipation, the PCB from JLC PCB finally arrived. Holding it in my hands, I felt a surge of excitement and satisfaction. Now, with soldering iron in hand, I'm ready to bring this board to life. It's a bit like putting together a puzzle, carefully placing each component in its designated spot. With each joint, the project edges closer to completion. This hands-on pace is where the magic truly happens. With the PCB built, the next step is to make sure the microcontroller understands the codes it's about to receive. It's like teaching a language to someone before you can have a conversation. This is where burning the bootloader comes in. It's a bit like giving the microcontroller a special key to unlock the code. Once it's done, the board will be all set to do its job. Now that the bootloader is in place, it's time to give the microcontroller some practice. I'm going to upload a sample code like giving it a little test to see if it understands. It's a bit like trying out a new recipe to see how it turns out. If everything goes smoothly, we'll see the board come to life doing exactly what it's supposed to do. This step is like a little preview of the magic it's capable of. The moment of truth arrived and I was met with nothing short of sheer elation. The PCB hung to life flawlessly, each connection and component harmonizing in perfect symphony. It was a testament to meticulous design and craftsmanship that only didn't function seamlessly, but its aesthetic was a sight to behold. The elegant black hue lent an air of sophistication, canvas that framed the intricate bands of circuits within. From the external allure to the inner workings, this PCB was a masterpiece, a marriage of form and function that left me in awe of beauty that technology can hold.